Greetings everyone! Yes, welcome back into my channel. It's Gabby here. So, what are you gonna do today? Yeah? So today we're going to talk about the side effects of cooking. Yes, we do have it. So, and this box behind me is the solution of the side effect of the cooking. Yes? So all you guys know that I am more into cooking, so we try to make it in a balance. So I have it, I want you guys to unbox with me what's in this. Okay, so come on, I'm so excited. So okay, gonna push it. Maybe it's crazy heavy, so we try. I'm gonna ask my husband help with this. Hopefully he will, but I know he's very gentleman to help me. Oh yes. So this is what's inside the box. It's the rowing machine. Yes, we have bought a rowing machine, so we can have it here in our living room after eating or before eating. We can have some exercise, at least 45 minutes a day at least. So we really have our goal, our couple goal is to have a healthy lifestyle. So if you are following me on my YouTube channel, you can see that most of my recipe these days are more on healthy food. So if you want to have a low carb diet, just please check on my channel. And you can have all the soups in the world and all the ingredients and also some recipes which is more helpful. And it is more like keto diet or no carbs diet at all. So yes, so just got it on. Oh my god, what is this? So I'm gonna give this to him. Look. So this is the seeds. That. Ouch. So the seeds. Oh, this is really freaking heavy. Okay guys, what I am thinking now is to show you quickly the assembling and when it's done. Okay, so because this is really quite heavy and this is a little, like I show you, this is really quite complicated to make. So it says here, if we're good at it, we can make it in 30 minutes, but I don't know, but we'll see. Okay, so bear with us. We got this. So look at that. So this is going to be a symbol. There's all the materials here. Are you guys excited? So yes, I'm excited too. The seed of suffering.
Okay, then number two. It's alive. Double check it for me.
So there you go, we are ready. Assembled it. So this will be the last one. Interesting. Yeah. And I asked my husband whether we need to wear shoes in here, so I said like it doesn't really necessary. So I'm gonna try. So it's really cool. So it's digital, so you can see here how you work and how hard work you want to be. Yeah. So we're gonna open the window here, so we have some fresh air while doing this. Yeah, I'm so excited. So I think there is no reason now to be lazy and excuse to, oh, it's raining, we're gonna go out and run, or you know, it's raining, we're gonna go and walk, you know. So there's no excuse. Work, work, work. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Bye.